1. 2.
When variety and customization are integral parts of your day, the Saeco Xelsis is the coffee machine for you. 15 exquisite coffee drinks easily crafted to your taste.
Three. 4. 5. 6.
Cleaning your espresso machine is fast and convenient with a removable drip tray, waste bin, and coffee brewer. Cleanup is easier than ever.
Seven.
The Miele CM6 Milk Perfection, with fully automatic rinsing of the milk pipework for even more enjoyment and convenience. Miele has meticulously enhanced the CM6. The central spout has 2 steam inlets. When preparing drink specialities involving milk and milk froth, this means water is evaporated from the water container and enters the central spout through 2 steam inlets. A negative pressure arises which draws the milk out of the milk container and through the upper milk pipework. Air is mixed with the milk to create the froth. The milk then comes into contact with the hot steam, becoming warm milk froth. The milk froth is heated again by the second steam inlet, giving it a particularly fine consistency. The result? A perfectly prepared cappuccino.
8.